check out my YouTube channel, check out all the videos, give you guys some. No, he got a screw over there. Right there. Damage looks pretty weird. We got all this here, all that there. This needs some work. Also, we didn't know about this damage. Now this has to be the worst part that we did not see. This is pretty darn bad here. Not an easy thing to redo or fix. You might have to buy it. There we go. Now we got 2 doors from the junkyard. It was pretty expensive, but here we have it. We're gonna install it on the car to see how everything lines up. So we bought a brand new piece from the dealer from Toyota, and it covers literally the perfect amount. Literally from right here to right there, which is like perfect. Huh?
You can put the door back in there.
Temporarily, right?
Yeah. Let me take it out thing apart.
What thing? Oh yeah, we have to take off all this here. We just figured out that the doors from the junkyard that we got is slightly different. The wiring harness for the mirror, there's an extra plug, so it is different. The other one doesn't have this black plug for this mirror, so we have to take out the whole door panel anyways. But now we have to take out the whole wiring harness on both of them because this door has 7 pins, that one has 8 pins. So let's get straight to doing all this work. He's gonna work on that and I'm gonna work on this. Yeah, but once you break something, you break something.
Huh?
Rather take my time and do it right than.
Well, you do fast, please, they come out.
All the panels I've removed already, all 4. I've changed the whole wiring harness from that door all the way over there to this door and this door, all the doors. Took out the wiring harness to swap it out because 2 cables are different. So now I have to finish doing this one. That's it. This one's pretty simple because there's no crazy stuff. It's just speaker, door handle, and that. Alright, so we just got done switching the 2 wiring harnesses. So this is the one that belongs to this car. Put it on. Now we're going to test fit it on the car. Now, us obviously at the moment is not going to fit well because it does need to get a little bit pulled. We cut there to see how it is. It only got pushed in a tiny little bit on that corner there. So we got to pull that out. Pull out as much as we can. Splice it and prepare for the new piece. As for this one, we are going to fix it. It looks pretty bad, but we'll attempt to do it. We'll probably weld the piece right here, pull it out, massage it up, and here goes the molding anyways, so it's fine with just a couple of clip holes, and we'll paint it up and hopefully it'll come out good because we did not know that this was damaged. And to order this part, I believe you have to order the whole quarter panel and obviously we don't need the whole quarterPanel. So let's get straight back to work. So we threw the door on, and this is your sign that your center post is indeed bent or not perfect. So this is obviously not good. Not something you can just adjust. So we're gonna tighten it up, see how far back we have to pull, well, forward, and push the center post this way and replace the piece that's over there. So let's get straight into doing that. Not bad. We didn't throw on the handle because it's gonna be easier to paint it professionally without it on. But of course, like I said, that's not right there, and we have to pull, obviously, like we have said. So it's time to do that. Alrighty, so the game plan now is to remove the rear door and prepare this. If I could get my finger in there, and prepare this to remove the center post. And we have a new plan. We were planning on going up here, which is like more of like the professional way, but this is also professional, but like a lot less work. We're gonna cut it right here. We're trying to knock this build out pretty quickly, and plus we wouldn't have to mess with this, nothing here. It's just cut right here and replace the whole thing. Like I said, we're gonna go as far as we can here. Like that, there's less body work, and like that we could get a nice quick blend. So let's get straight into removing this rear door, getting it ready. Alright, so I think I drilled all the holes out already, and my dad drilled all the holes on this side while I was at it, and now he's throwing some of that Sulfate primer or primer you throw underneath, and we're going to put it on the car and hopefully weld it up. Ready to add the new piece. So next day here, we're going to put the new piece, prep everything, make sure everything is nice and straight, and tack everything on and weld it up. So let's get straight into putting the new piece on. Everything's all clamped up and ready to go. Alrighty, so we got the piece all welded up inside, and it looks pretty good. Technically, it's my first time welding all that. Not bad. It has to be, the machine has to be really low, like that you don't poke a hole. So now we're gonna attempt to fix this part right here. It's really mangled up. We didn't order another one. To order another one of this, you have to order the whole quarter panel, and we don't want to order the whole quarter panel. Alright, so everything is nice and welded in. You open the door here. Yeah. Came out pretty good. We need to finish grinding it so that we could throw some body filler, sand it down, and prep it for paint. But that's all looking pretty good. We peeled the corner a little bit, and yeah. Everything now is nice and sanded down, pretty much ready for paint. The inside we need to finish doing. Tomorrow I'm going to prepare it to throw a primer and paint on the inside first, and then from there we can do the outside on a later date. But coming up pretty good. Descended the quarter panel, the two doors, and the fender. I had a dentist appointment, but off camera, he was able to paint the inside with the nice white pearl. Came out pretty good. Looks nice and OEM in here, like nothing ever happened in here. And we're assembling everything back together and gonna get prepped to paint the outside. Got the whole car maxed up, ready for paint all around the car, all the tape, and we're about ready to wipe the car down, top cloth, and prepare to put a base coat and some clear, and also pearl, because this is 2-stage, because this is a white pearl, so we're gonna have to do a little bit extra work, but it'll be fine. Paint job came out pretty good. We didn't record much, but it came out pretty good, pretty slick. Minimum trash. We threw water on the ground. Obviously the water dried up already, but results speak for themselves. Pretty darn well. Look at that.
Dang, who let my pops cook?
Dude, you gonna get it. You were literally this close. I got it on video.
No.
Yes.
I caught you. It's 24K also said
That was a pretty close call. You know, a little what on here.
Listen, I didn't touch it, okay? I didn't touch it.
Okay,
Dude, I have Sonic.
I caught you on video. I caught you at 4K Ultra HD 1080p 30 frames per second. Bro, don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. Get away from this car. Messing up about who you live here? the car, we detailed it, we buffed it, we cleaned it inside, outside, engine bay. Well, the car's locked right now, but it's nice and clean and it's nice and detailed, ready to go to the new owner. Anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I have to catch you in the next video. Peace and God bless. Check out my YouTube channel, check out all the videos, give you guys some love, watch till the end. And car came out pretty good.